Hello everyone. Welcome back to Phone Farm Solutions. In this video, we are going to answer a very common question. What is a box phone farm? A box phone farm is a system that combines multiple real smartphones inside a compact box, allowing them to operate together as one structured unit. Instead of using many separate phones on a desk, a box phone farm helps organize devices, save space, improve stability, and make large-scale phone management easier. All phones inside the box are real physical devices, not emulators or virtual machines. At Phone Farm Solutions, we want to make this concept simple. A box phone farm is mainly designed to help users control many phones remotely, monitor device status, and manage tasks more efficiently. Through network connections and management software, users can access their phones from a computer or browser without physically touching each device. In the next videos on Phone Farm Solutions, we will explain how a box phone farm works, what components are involved, and how it compares to cloud phone solutions. If you are new to this topic, make sure to subscribe to Phone Farm Solutions, turn on notifications, and leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.